The EDOU Direct 24-inch surface cleaner is a high-pressure washer specifically designed to provide effortless and efficient cleaning of large surfaces, such as concrete and driveways. Equipped with 2 spinning nozzles at a fixed height, this surface cleaner ensures streak-free and professional results. The high-speed performance of the cleaner, facilitated by the integrated rotary rod and dual high-pressure rotating jets, allows you to complete your cleaning tasks up to 8 times faster. Durability is a key feature of this product, with a heavy-duty stainless steel frame, flexible bristles, and a durable dome housing design. The surface cleaner offers universal compatibility, enabling quick connection to your 3/8-inch quick connector, M22-14mm, or M22-15mm Female fitting hose, and even includes an optional 1/4-inch quick adapter set. The EDOU Direct 24-inch surface cleaner is backed by exceptional customer service, providing quick responses within 24 hours to make your professional and at-home cleaning more efficient.